Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Reaction of pyrrole with PhMgBr. Pyrrole has an acidic NH, pKa-17. PhMgBr acts as a base, PHH pKa-43, actually benzene pKa-43, but the Grignard acts as a strong base. PhMgBr deprotonates the NH of pyrrole to give the pyrrolyl magnesium bromide salt, PyrroleMgBr, structure 3, as product E, and releases benzene, PHH, structure 2, as product F. So E is equal to 3, PyrroleMgBr, the Grignard reagent of pyrrole at nitrogen, and F is equal to 2, benzene. Moving on to the next step. Confirm F plus MeCl no reaction without catalyst. Benzene, F is equal to 2, does not react with MeCl, methyl chloride, without a Lewis acid catalyst. Friedel-Crafts conditions require UlCl3. This is consistent with the problem statement. Moving on to the next step. E plus MeCl G plus H, E is equal to PyrroleMgBr, structure 3, reacts with MeCl. The pyrrolyl anion is ambident, it can alkylate at N or at C. For pyrrole Grignard with alkyl halides, C-alkylation is preferred at the 2 position, most nucleophilic carbon, giving to methyl pyrrole, structure 6, as G. The other product H is NGBrCl, an inorganic salt, but among the given numbered structures, H must correspond to a numbered organic structure. Weight re-examining, when PyrroleMgBr reacts with MeCl, the main organic products would be either N-methylpyrrole or C-methylpyrrole. However, N-methylpyrrole is not among the listed structures. Structures 6 and 7 are 2-me and 3-me pyrroles, both with NH. The reaction of pyrrolyl Grignard with MeCl gives predominantly C-alkylation, 2-methylpyrrole, G is equal to 6, and the minor product 3-methylpyrrole, H is equal to 7, along with NGBrCl as byproduct. So E is equal to 3, F is equal to 2, G is equal to 6, H is equal to 7. Answer A, 3, 2, 6, 7. And for the final step. Why other options fail? B, 4, 5, 6, 1, E is equal to 4, to phenylpyrrole, is wrong. PhMgBr cannot do C-phenylation of pyrrole without transition metal catalyst under normal conditions. Also F is equal to 5 and H is equal to 1 don't fit. C, 3, 4, 5, 2, F is equal to 4 is wrong. Benzene should be the byproduct of deprotonation, not to phenylpyrrole. D, 3, 2, 4, 5, G is equal to 4, to phenylpyrrole, and H is equal to 5 are wrong. MeCl would give methyl substitution, not phenyl substitution. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.